In this guide, we will teach you how to convert MOV files to MP4 file format for free on Windows. This MOV to MP4 conversion tutorial has been made on Windows 11, however, you can follow this guide for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 7. MOV files are incompatible with the most popular Windows native media player, Windows Media Player. The main reason for this is that MOV files are developed for QuickTime Player. In order to use these files on Windows Media Player, you'll need to install a third-party additional codec pack, or media player, since Windows Media Player is not compatible with every video format. If you are running Windows 8, or Windows 7, then there is a great chance that you will be unable to play MOV files without any third-party media player, since MOV files are mostly used in Apple devices and OS. Microsoft never tried to make it compatible with Windows Media Player. Despite having a third-party media player, or codec pack installed, MOV files sometimes behave like watching a movie on a scratched DVD. Converting MOV to MP4 is the best way to fix all the problems associated with MOV files. Once the video, consisting of the MOV file format, is converted to MP4, Windows Media Player will be able to pick up the file format with no problem. Because MP4 is considered a universal video format, it works well with Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and other operating systems. We suggest using online video converters to convert small-sized videos with MOV file format to MP4 format. Search over Google for MOV to MP4 converters. For demonstration purposes, we'll use this online video converter. First, import the MOV video file you want to convert to MP4. Click Convert to begin the conversion. The conversion is complete, and the MP4 file is ready to download. Use VLC Media Player if you have large-size MOV files and want to convert them to MP4, free of cost and without internet. The VLC Media Player goes beyond the conventional media player. This open-source media player also comes with many other valuable features. For example, the video converter is one of the useful features of the VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player can be used to convert MOV files to MP4 and nearly all other video and audio formats. Suppose you don't already have VLC Media Player installed. Download VLC Media Player and install it. You may find the link to download VLC Media Player in the comment box. To convert a MOV file to MP4, launch VLC Media Player. Click on the Media menu, and click on Convert, Save to launch the video converter. You can open it by pressing Ctrl and R together. From the File section, click Add button to select MOV files you want to convert to MP4. Choose the Convert option from the Convert Save drop-down menu to access video conversion options. Choose MP4 from the Profile menu. You can customize bitrate, frame rate, and other things. If you like, click the Settings cog to edit or customize the profile. Click Browse to choose the location where VLC Media Player will save the converted file. Click Start to kickstart the conversion process. VLC Media Player has successfully converted your MOV file to MP4 file format. VLC Media Player can also be used to convert videos between nearly all audio and video file formats. Hopefully, today's guide has been informative and useful to you. Also, we hope you have managed to convert MOV files to MP4 video format. We would be glad to hear from you. If we missed anything important in the comments section, we will do our best to help you. Comments, feedback, and suggestions are welcome.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up. and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.